Welcome! Today I will show you how to make these DIY decoration diyas. So for that you need a pencil, any shape or size or color paper for that part. You need yellow or orange paper for that part. You need any kind of scissors. Markers or color pencils are optional. You'll need either glue or stapler. So first I will take this, which is the base, and basically you fold it into like 1/2 inch, like that. And then you go the opposite way and you fold the same amount. And then you will continue until you get to the end. And then now, when you got this little bow looking thing, you will fold it in half. And then you can take either stapler or glue, but I will prefer glue better. And then after a few minutes or seconds, it will dry up. So I have put glue on both the sides, and we will stick it like this to create this half circle shape. So you will need to wait for a few minutes for it to dry. So once it dries, it will create a half a circle like this. And now the next step is to leave it out for a bit to dry. And we will take the orange or yellow paper to create this part of it. So you will need to have to trace it out. Not the best, but that's okay. You will cut it out. And then now it's optional, but you can bring in your markers or colors and detail it. So now you do have your marker. You can trace it or just like decorate it. I'm just gonna make in little flames. And then once you have that, you will take your half circle, flip it over to the side that you don't really like, and then the one you do have, you will put it down. You flip over to the bad side of your circle. Do put some glue on it, like at the top right here. So right here. I did put a little too much, but that's okay. You will take the good side of your thing, flip it over and put it right like that. You will need to hold it for a little bit, but well, once it dries, it will look something like this. I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes. After a few minutes, it will dry up and it will look super cute. You can use this as a Diwali decoration or any kind of decoration at all. It does look super cute. You can hang it up on a wall, or you can like stick it somewhere, but it will look super cute. Bye!